Assalamualaikum, I hope you are well. Now I want to say about financial authority silence. Wealth does not speak loud. Money prefers silence. The strongest financial position is invisible. They do not display assets, they acquire leverage. They do not impress people. They control systems. Noise spends, silence accumulates. Emotion spends money, structure multiplies money. Risk habits are quiet. They study longer, they wait longer. When they move precisely. Cash flow is engineered, risk is calculated. They do not chase opportunity, opportunity approaches them. Financial authority requires emotional neutrality. Patience is capital. Silence protects wealth. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.